फ्रेंड्स, आज का ये वीडियो पर्टिकुलरली हायरिंग के ऊपर है और हायरिंग में क्वेश्चन के ऊपर है. सो दिस इज़ द month which starts with hiring. April is the month which is considered to be a starting month for hiring, and the peak month for hiring is definitely June or July. So every candidate, whoever is trying to get a new job, and this is for those candidates who are trying to change their existing job for better opportunity, better comfort, better salary, better positions, they should understand, because whenever there is an opportunity, it is always backed by a threat. So कोई भी opportunity के पीछे हमेशा एक threat भी रहता है. So similarly, if there is an opportunity for hiring, so definitely there is a threat or there is an opportunity getting created for the job scammers. So job scammers are also very active. They are also trying to discount this opportunity, and they are having very innovative ways to dupe the candidates. दूसरों को धोखा देने के लिए वो बड़ा इनोवेटिव तरीका इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर सेंडिंग मैसेजेस एंड दे आर ट्राइंग टू अट्रैक्ट कैंडिडेट्स, एंड दोज कैंडिडेट्स हु आर एक्चुअली desperate about the job, and they are getting trapped into those offers. So don't allow yourself to get trapped into those offers, but try to validate the offers. आप उस ऑफर्स को अच्छी तरह समझे, मैसेज को समझे, क्योंकि कोई भी मैसेज अगर बैंक या कोई भी प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी के थ्रू अगर आपको भेजा जाता है तो वो काफ़ी वेरीफाइड होकर भेजा जाता है. वो उसमें स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स के बहुत कम चांसेस होते हैं. अगर खासकर वो अगर बैंक के एचआर से भेजा जाता है तो उसको मल्टीपल टाइम्स वेरीफाई किया जाता है. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड वेदर देयर इज़ अ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक और नॉट, whether the message is originated from the right source or not, whether it prompts you for some fraudulent activity or not. Try to understand. If you are not able to understand, you ask some senior people who are already into bank whether this kind of offer or this kind of message can be originated by any bank or any hiring agency or not. Nowadays it is also happening that fraudsters are charging certain amounts towards registration, और आप जब register कर दोगे paying that small amount, maybe 100-200 rupees, then they will prompt you for an interview, and the interview they will pose, they will have their own people, and they will pose as if they are representative of certain banks, and they will also have ID cards in place, and they will interview you over a Zoom call or over internet or any kind of video conferencing. And when they understand that you are really desperate, then they will take some time and they will make you an offer for training. और जब आप ट्रेनिंग में एग्री करेंगे, then they will extract some amount from you. वो 8,000 भी हो सकते हैं, वो 10,000 भी हो सकते हैं, 15,000 भी हो सकते हैं. So be very 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 careful before getting trapped into this kind of offers, क्योंकि बैंक या कोई भी प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी को ये राइट नहीं है कि वो कैंडिडेट के पास से कोई भी अमाउंट टुवर्ड्स हायरिंग चार्ज करे. प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी को बैंक पैसे देती है इफ़ दैट प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी हैज़ बीन हायर्ड बाय द बैंक, और बैंक उस प्लेसमेंट एजेंसी को तभी पैसे देती है जब कैंडिडेट अपना प्रोबेशन पीरियड पूरा कर लेता है या फिर वो सिस्टम में स्टेबल हो जाता है. then only that placement agency gets that amount of money. But in no case a candidate is supposed to pay either to the bank or the placement agency. So be very careful, otherwise there is every possibility that you will get trapped into the net of the fraudsters, and you will shell out some huge amount of money, maybe thousands, or you maybe 10,000, 15,000, whatever is the amount, you will have to shell out. So be very careful and protect yourself before going into those offers. Try to validate in all parameters. Ask your seniors whether actually these things are happening. Better not to get desperate about any offer. Use your brain, have patience, and then go for the offer. Thank you so much. And my next video I will prepare on the hiring process, how to succeed in the interviews, because next 2 to 3 months will be the hiring peak, and everybody should try to discount that opportunity by performing your best, giving your best in the interview, and of course for a sustainable career which will later on add value to your CV. Thank you so much. If you like the video, just subscribe so that you don't miss my next video, which I am going to have on the hiring process and hiring tricks. Thank you so much.